Snoring. It is something I do a lot, and I am also the type of person that snores loudly. I can sleep almost everywhere. Well, except for the pool, because I can't sleep when I am snorkeling, can I? I avoid sleeping in public places so that I won't disturb anyone with my snoring. But of course, me being me, I fall asleep anyways. There was this one time when my family and I went to the cinema to watch a movie. And while we were watching it, I got bored and fell asleep. And as you guessed it, I snored. My cousin was sitting beside me and he woke me up. After the movies, he said that everyone was staring at me while I was sleeping, which was embarrassing. Another time where this happened was during the best time ever, which was the exams. Whenever I sleep with my face down onto the desk, I wouldn't always snore, but sometimes I do. I'm not sure if anyone is bothered from my snoring because no one complained to me, but people has laughed at me for, well, snoring. There was also this one time when my school had an overnight program, and I remembered waking up to the kick to the. Yeah. I just figured they were just annoyed from my snoring, or maybe they were just trying to test my strength. Hopefully you guys enjoy my content. It's been a while since I made this. Can't wait to make more in the future.